Hello everyone. This is Tech Rehab, and today's video is a little bit special. So if you haven't already understand what this is, it's a 3D printer and it's specifically Creality's Ender 3v3KE. So I recently got into 3D printing because I think that it's great for printing some repair tools and other things I need for repairing. It's actually my second 3D printer, and I was between this and the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. Okay? So if you don't know anything about 3D printing, let's say that Bamboo Lab. 3D printers are, if not the best, one of the best brands of 3D printers. But why I chose the Ender 3v3KE over the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini? Alright, so despite the A1 Mini being more user-friendly and easier to set up, it costs more. And when I say more, I mean that. It originally costs $220 on Bamboo Lab website with shipping, but it goes through customs, so you need to pay another $50 when it arrives on tax. And in my opinion, it's more worthy to get the Ender 3v3KE for $50, less if you need it for reasons like mine, because the A1 Mini has a way smaller build plate and also can't print materials like ABS, ASA, and others, because its bed heats up to 90 degrees in comparison with the Ender, which heats up to 110 degrees. And as I said, I really need to print with higher temperature, resistant materials for my repairs. So if you need to print with tougher materials and have a larger print volume, you can also consider buying the Ender one. But if you don't need these, the A1 Mini is a great printer and has other great advantages that others miss. Alright, enough with the comparisons, let's get into our printer. Okay, so as you can see, the assembly is pretty easy and won't take you more than 20 to 30 minutes. Just make sure to screw everything on place with the help of the manual that it comes, and you won't probably need any help. Just make sure if you are from Europe to switch your power supply voltage to 220 volts. But do your research first to see if your country supports that voltage, because, trust me, you don't want to plug your 3D printer to the outlet with the wrong voltage. It probably won't react well. Okay, generally, you need to be a little careful with these machines in order for them to work as they should. Now, for those wondering, I will be making more 3D printing related videos in the future, both with my Ender 3v3KE printer, maybe some mods that I will do on it, and definitely with things I will create from it for the repair videos and other stuff I find useful. Make sure to write down in the comments any ideas that you have for a future video with this, any questions or anything you noticed or you disagree. Like this video too, if you want me to continue this 3D printing series, and what would you like to see or try with my 3D printer. Thank everyone for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. It will really help with growing my channel. This was Tech Rehab, and I will see you in the next one.